Welcome to J&J's test video of SYCE 398 98 Corvette. Hit here in the left front. You look close, you can see it smacked. Front bumper's got some damage. That's it. Got some damage on the side down there. 159,000 miles. Four of the mufflers. Runs and drives. Just another Corvette getting parted out. Sometimes it'll let me see the mileage. I might have to. Some of these just won't do it. So we're going to turn it. Well, I'll check the tape. Show you the tape deck works. Heater control works. Turn it off. Now if you watch real quick, you'll see the odometer when it lights up. Oh hush. Oh, it didn't do it. Well, it said 159 earlier, so I'll take it for a test drive. Transmission and the carrier together. Seems to work. Doesn't have a ton of miles on it. There's reverse. There's forward. We do have a little light, so I don't know if the ABS unit's any good. Alright, I'll show you the mirrors work. Looks like we got a China window switch. That's all the rage now. Alright, there you go. As always, thank you for watching. And have your pets spayed and neutered.